Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic DraftSight tutorials how to add text. To add text in DraftSight, there are two options. First, you can use text command, and the second, you can use mtext command. For the first, I will type text, press enter, and I will click at this point. Now we need to specify for height, I will set into 5, press enter. For angle 0, and then you can tap like DraftSight. Click Offset and press escape button to close. The second, you can use mtext command. You can type mtext, press enter, and I will create in here for rectangle. Now you can set for height in here, like I will set into 5, press enter, and you can type the names into DraftSight. Click OK to apply. To edit, you can double click in here and you can change the name like into opacity, or you can change this text, double click and change into opacity. Okay, that's it, how to add text in DraftSight. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.